So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And now once we're here, if you see your printer in this list, you want to remove it. There's going to be like some three dots right here. You can select it and then click on remove. Or you need to click on your printer and it's going to be saying remove. So just remove your printer from this list. Next, you want to add your printer. So make sure that your printer is turned on and is plugged into your computer. Now you want to click on add device. It's now going to start doing a scan and it should automatically connect to your printer. If it did not detect your printer, then you want to select add a new device manually. You want to go with the option that's most applicable to you and you can then add your printer. And the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to restart your computer and your printer. So restart your computer and you want to restart your printer as well. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.